Welcome back to Sam Official Tech. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of innovation and see how technology is revolutionizing various industries. From healthcare to entertainment, machines and cutting-edge technologies are playing an essential role in transforming the way we work, live, and experience the world. In this video, we'll explore 17 examples of how technology is driving change, boosting efficiency, and shaping the future. Let's get started and see how these advancements are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Artificial intelligence is playing a pivotal role in transforming healthcare by enabling more accurate and faster diagnosis. AI-driven machines can now analyze medical images and patient data, detecting early signs of diseases like cancer or heart conditions. With AI systems becoming an essential part of medical practices, doctors can make better informed decisions, providing timely treatments that can save lives. 3D printing technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry, allowing for the creation of complex parts and products with precision and minimal waste. From automotive components to medical implants, machines using additive manufacturing are reshaping how industries produce goods. This technology enables rapid prototyping, lowers costs, and accelerates product development, driving innovation across the board. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, AI-powered machines are stepping up to protect sensitive information. These AI-driven systems can detect unusual patterns and predict potential cyberattacks before they happen. By automating threat detection and response, companies can safeguard their digital assets, ensuring data privacy and security in the digital age. Self-driving cars and trucks are reshaping the transportation industry. With advanced sensors and AI, these vehicles can navigate roads without human intervention, making travel safer and more efficient. From reducing accidents to lowering fuel consumption, autonomous vehicles are paving the way for a future where transportation is more sustainable and accessible to all. In retail, AI is transforming the way customers shop. From personalized product recommendations to virtual shopping assistants, AI-driven systems are enhancing the customer experience like never before. These machines analyze shopping habits, preferences, and behaviors to provide tailored services, leading to higher customer satisfaction and increased sales. Agriculture is being transformed by robots designed to automate farming tasks such as planting, harvesting, and even monitoring soil health. These machines can work 24/7, reducing the reliance on manual labor and boosting productivity. Farmers can now produce more food with fewer resources, thanks to the efficiency and precision of agricultural robots. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries by providing a secure and transparent way to record transactions and share data. In industries such as finance, supply chain, and healthcare, blockchain ensures data integrity and prevents fraud. Machines and systems using blockchain are reshaping how companies operate, bringing greater trust and accountability to digital transactions. Drones are making significant changes to delivery and logistics. Companies like Amazon are testing drone delivery services to bring packages to customers faster and more efficiently. In disaster areas, drones are being used to deliver essential supplies where traditional transportation methods may not be feasible. The ability of drones to cover large distances and navigate difficult terrains is revolutionizing logistics. AR technology is making education more immersive and interactive. Machines using AR are providing students with hands-on experiences in virtual environments, allowing them to explore subjects like history, science, and engineering in new and engaging ways. AR is transforming traditional classrooms into dynamic learning spaces where students can visualize complex concepts and interact with them in real time. Robots in warehouses are transforming how goods are stored and shipped. Automated robots can move products around warehouses, sort items, and even pack orders with minimal human intervention. This optimization of the supply chain leads to faster delivery times and more efficient operations, allowing companies to meet the increasing demand for e-commerce orders. Smart cities use AI and machine learning to monitor and manage urban infrastructure, from traffic lights to waste management. These machines collect data from sensors installed around the city, helping authorities make informed decisions to improve transportation, reduce energy consumption, and enhance public safety. As cities continue to grow, smart technology is essential for sustainable development. Wearable devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers are revolutionizing how people monitor their health and fitness. These machines collect real-time data on heart rate, steps, sleep patterns, and more, giving users valuable insights into their well-being. Wearable technology is also being integrated with AI to predict potential health issues, enabling users to take proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle. Virtual reality (VR) technology is transforming the entertainment industry by providing immersive experiences that transport users into new worlds. Whether it's in gaming, film, or live events, VR machines are allowing audiences to experience entertainment in ways that were once only imaginable. With VR headsets becoming more accessible, this technology is rapidly expanding the possibilities for interactive entertainment. Artificial intelligence is playing a key role in protecting the environment. AI machines can analyze satellite images to track deforestation, monitor wildlife populations, and predict natural disasters. These systems provide critical data that helps conservationists and governments make informed decisions about how to manage natural resources and protect ecosystems. AI-powered machines are being used to analyze player performance, optimize strategies, and even predict outcomes in sports. From football to tennis, AI systems analyze data on player movements, team formations, and other factors to help coaches make better decisions during games. These machines are transforming how sports teams approach training and competition, pushing athletes to reach new heights. Smart manufacturing integrates AI and robotics to automate production processes. These machines can work around the clock, increasing efficiency and reducing production costs. real-time data monitoring and machine learning algorithms, smart manufacturing systems can detect potential issues before they occur, ensuring a smooth and continuous production flow. In biotechnology, machines are accelerating medical research and drug development. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of genetic data, helping researchers identify potential treatments for diseases faster than ever before. Machines are also being used in laboratories to automate experiments and increase the accuracy of results, driving progress in fields like genetics, pharmaceuticals, and bioengineering. Thank you for watching Sam Official Tech. We hope you found these insights into how technology is transforming industries both informative and exciting. From AI-driven innovation to autonomous machines, the future is bright with endless possibilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth videos on the latest tech trends. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology with us.